How's everybody doing today? So wanted to come on here and real quick, if you are a business owner, a busy business owner, if you are a commission-only employee and you don't have 5 seconds to listen to this, do me a favor, give me 5 seconds. If you're out there and you can't stand your job and you're looking for a way out, just sick of your boss, ready to fire your boss, do me a favor, give me 5 seconds. So here's the thing. If I could show you how to basically make money from your cell phone in the same fashion that you send a text message out, and it literally would take you less than a minute to do, would you be interested? If I could show you that this system has been, it has not had a losing month in over 5 years, right? The stats are publicly posted by the company on just an open website, right? So it's completely transparent, Is this something that would interest you? If you could learn how to do this system from a person who became a 7-figure trader in 2 years, in person, live, would you be interested? And then I guess just to add to myself, so I have basically been using this system. I've been live trading since January of this year. I started in November. And so I had a little bit quicker curve than most because I had actually been with another company prior, went through all the training, and I'll be honest, I was not comfortable trading live. I had to be honest with myself. And I'll tell you, it's because the support wasn't there. In this company, it's nothing but support. We have, you've got access to 6- and 7-figure live traders basically 5 days a week. So anyways, when I found this company, I signed up in November. This is what I've been doing since January. And one other thing I want to mention too, as I go through all these, would you be interested in what I'm offering? Maybe some people are thinking, well, either it's not true or it costs a fortune. And I'll be clear. You can go to my site. I've got links out there. Click on register. You'll see it's a minimal payment, which, to be honest, you can actually make it 100% free if you want as well. So there's options out there. The meeting is tomorrow at the Asher Theater, 5:30 to 7:30. The meeting's free. So, and I think really when you get there, I think if you give me the chance and you meet me and you meet Arnold, you'll find out that really at the end of the day, I'm down to earth. Arnold is very down to earth. Great guy. I'm extremely excited. He's my mentor and a good friend. And, I don't know how often I'll be able to get him down here. I think it's really special that he's coming down here and taking the time to do this. So, my whole thought is if you live in or around Myrtle Beach, you're going to be around here and you have an opportunity to come to the Asher Theater tomorrow, I would say come on down. It's not going to cost you anything, and you can only gain from it, And I think the people that, like I said, it can really benefit are you busy business owners out there that I know what it's like because I'm an entrepreneur myself. I've told a story, since I was 12 years old and went down to the local paper company, and got a paper route, It was like I've always, been after working for myself, doing my own thing. And I got to say, I've done everything under the sun, and I know the differences between good opportunities and not good opportunities. And, if you love what you do, but you're having a hard time financially or whatever, this is a great way, you can get these trades coming to your phone. It's like a text message, and you just input the information like a text. And these trades are winning like 8 out of 10 trades. They're just They're continually, it's documented month after month, they're winning it. And the guy that has, on top of that, put together some special strategies to make them even better, right? And he is just absolutely blown it out of the water. And this is who I mirror everything I do after, because I'm not here to reinvent the wheel. I'm not here to fix something that's not broken because I'm gonna let my ego get in the way. This guy crushes it, and he's I'm telling you, the opportunity to be able to sit there and listen to what he does for free and just hear how he's done it. I mean, I would jump on it. So I don't know. I don't wanna. If it doesn't apply to you, then I would say don't bother. But I really want to make sure that this is getting out there to the people that it does apply to. And me being an entrepreneur and going through all the things I have gone through, it's hard for me to sit here and try to figure out who it doesn't apply to. But at the end of the day, we're all different, and that's what makes this world great. So obviously there's going to be some of you that are happy where you're at doing what you're doing. But for me, I love it. I'm just, hey, this is my home office. I'm at home, I get to hang out at home every day. If I feel like sleeping in, I can sleep in. I can take the dogs on a walk. I can go chill at the pool. And I make time for that. It doesn't, today in about 2 hours, I made as much money as a lot of people make in a week, right? In 2 hours. And I'll tell you what, I didn't even do any of the typical trades that I talked to you about. I just used some basic principles that I was taught. I looked at the charts, and when price hits a certain area, it was a go. And when it got to the next area, I knew, okay, that's where you get rid of it. You learn, and what this is it's an opportunity to learn a skill that can basically set you free. No one can take this away from you when you know how to do it, And all it just takes is a little bit of time and effort, and I'm telling you, it can really be life-changing, and you just be blown away. What people are used to working, our mindset is if you're not in there 8, 10, 12, 14 hours a day, you're not getting anything done. Well, I'm going to tell you real clearly, trading is not like that at all, right? Trading is, you may spend some time getting into a trade, and then depending on the type of trader that you want to be, you're either going to get in and out, or you're going to set it on cruise control and you're going to go do your thing, and it's going to self-manage itself, and you don't have to worry about it. So either way, whether you're a day trader or a swing trader or an intraday trader or whatever, the actual time that you spend on trading is maybe, and this is for the people that want to actually focus on trading. You would only trade maybe 2-3 hours a day tops. That's it. Now, if you don't care about trading, you don't want to learn about trading, you don't want to know about trading, you're just interested in making a little extra money, that's fine too. That's where you get to use the expertise of others with these swipe trades that we've got. It's just a proven system that you can learn from Arnold Thompson, who is absolutely crushing it and will be here tomorrow at this event, and he's going to tell you how to do it. So once you're set up, you're going to have to get set up. You're going to have to open a broker account. You're going to have to get signed up. You're going to have to do that stuff. But again, you are 100% in control of your money. This is not one of those, I'm not touching your money. I've got nothing to do. So you don't have to worry about somebody that you don't know